Okay, someone new is back. Figure out who it is. So this is eBay junk video. I haven't done any videos in a month at least, so
Here we go.
throw it up there.
Christmas present.
This is for Fred and mine's bike from 1820. What year, how many years has it been since we worked on that bike? The 49.
Oh god. It's like
6, 7, 8?
6 years?
6 years. Been collecting parts for 6 years. So
If
I
you
got
look
new part.
if you look up if you look 49 panhead project goes sideways or Fred or whatever.
Come on, open it up. We don't hear project.
You'll see it. I think it was 106 is when I come into the 102 or 106.
No, there's a couple different series of videos on that bike, so.
Yeah. I think it's 105 or 106 that come into there. And all we were supposed to do was remove this fender, the fender, and put a new fender in.
Take the fat bob fender off, put a Harley fender on it.
And here we are. How many years later?
Yeah, but I got a lot of parts for that bike now.
Somebody look that up.
All right, let's see what we got in here. I'm thinking it's an original, but I don't know yet. I paid for an original.
More foam. More foam. Let's have a look. Let's take a closer look.
I didn't see any cracks in it. I'm sure it's got a shitload of Bondo in it. Yeah, not really.
I'm thinking that's already not correct.
Yep, that's good. See, 3 narrows, 2 fat. That's Harley hinge. Now they did make some early reproductions had that too, but that how you tell fender real quick. See, the aftermarket they're all the same.
Okay.
So see how you got narrow, fat, narrow, fat, narrow.
Yep.
So that's correct. Okay, flip it over. Let's see what the other side. If you see RBE on it, it's definitely not American. Looks like it's powder coat too. I figured it was. So then you look at how it's made. Look how it's riveted. This is actually screwed together. See how it's screwed together?
Yep.
So it's been screwed.
We're screwed.
Somebody's been screwed. So someone's been in here dicking with it. You can see how it's all bent apart. It should have a
Isn't that just a rivet that's been split?
It should have a, no, it's a screw. It should have a, well, it looks like a,
No,
looks like a
that's a
screw to
rivet.
me because
No,
it's
it's a
open. It ain't a rivet. That's a rivet. That looks like a screw. There's supposed to be a spring type hose thing that goes across here for lining.
Yeah.
So you can open and close it without screwing it all up. That's missing. It's got the oval light, which is 54. I thought this had the tombstone light on it. So that's an oval light, that's 54.
So it's not a 49.
No, it'd be a tombstone for that. I bought a tombstone fender too though, but I thought this one was a early fender. This is an oval light, so it's a late fender. So this is correct for the 57 drag bike. Or the 54 pan that I got in pieces.
What about the one that's almost together? That's all together, but
That has an original fender, but he took the hinge off. That's a 54 also. So this has the thick hinges on there, or not hinges, but two braces on it. Yes. The rivets look like original. See how they're nice and small head instead of the big, ugly, fat ones that come in aftermarket fenders.
Yep.
These have the large heads on them too, but this is all powder coat, but not Bondo.
What about these screws? Are these correct?
See that? That's not Bondo.
A little bit of a dent there.
Right there. That's where your fat ass hit it.
That might be correct, except my fat ass ain't hit this yet.
Oh, well, you gotta hit it from the other side and straighten it. It just had a buddy seat on this bike, so that's where the spring-loaded seat part goes into that.
Yeah.
So they're trying to hook that in, and they banged it into it. You can also see how it's been rubbing on it sideways. They also crack real bad through here, and I don't see any crack over here. It doesn't look like it's been broken.
What's all that then? Is that Bondo in there?
That's where the wiring goes through, Fred.
I understand that, but look inside there.
It looks, well, it's powder coated. It's got...
Ouch.
If I had my oven, I'd throw this thing in the oven in a heartbeat. See, here's, look up.
Look, that's what I'm talking. That tab has been pushed in.
Look how thick this.
Yeah.
Well, that looks like paint, though. That looks like Bondo and paint. That's not powder. That's Bondo and paint.
Yep. Where you see the green Bondo?
Yeah. So, I know how to get that off easy. Torch. Torch it and then go blast it.
Heat
Yeah.
this bitch up.
That's what I do in the gas tanks. I the tanks don't look good after you do that. Pull that crappy Bondo off. It's usually hiding stuff. All right, well, it's not the 49 fender, but it is another 54 fender. 55, what year did they do that? 54 or 5? 55, I think, something with that tail light. So that's correct for my 57 bike, which I already have 2 other original fenders, but this one's the best of the 3.
Kind of like when you buy your tanks, you're
By
always
far.
buying like
I got a lot of junk
left
tanks.
side, right side, right side, right side, left side, left
Well,
side.
you buy enough
right
parts,
side, left
eventually
side.
you get some good stuff. So
Yeah.
I'm good.
I
I'm
think you
happy.
got one solid 49 left and one solid 49 right.
All I can say is I did not pay $1,000 for it.
And what did you pay?
Not $1,000. But it wasn't a $150 reproduction price either.
No.
It was a lot. But
Well,
I'm good.
My buddy picked up that 62 tanks.
Yeah, for 2K, which is way too much money.
Well, he didn't pay 2K. He only paid 200.
You said 2K.
No, he wants 2K.
Oh, for $200, you got a screaming deal
Yeah.
for a set of 62 tanks.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's eBay junk. Looks
Nice
like
to see you guys again.
looks like we made out on this one. What was your name again?
Uncle Fred. Hey, my daughter won her championship. We got to talk about that.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
She bent the fender. She kicked it.
Natalia the Beast Space.
Right.
Look her up.